Hello everyone, Anbaalaya Coaching Center, Amaravathinagar. Let's discuss All India Sainik School Entrance Exam, Class 9, 2025. Question paper booklet code F. Don't worry if your question paper booklet code is different. We shall read the question and then mark the answer. You can find the answer in your question paper. Let's start.
Section A, Mathematics. Question number 1. Beena bought 160 kg apples at rupees 50 per kg. She sold 70% of the apples at rupees 70 per kg and the remaining at rupees 35 per kg. Beena's gain percentage on the whole is option 1, 19%. Second question. If A is to B is to C is equal to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 6 is to 1 by 9, then the value of A square plus B square by B square minus C square is option 3, 9. Question number 3. The marked price of an article is rupees 1500. A shopkeeper gives a discount of 5% and still makes a profit of 25%. The cost price of the article is option 2, rupees 1140. Question number 4. In a camp with 200 persons, there is enough food for 42 days. How long the food will last if 40 more persons join the camp on the first day? Option 1, 35 days. Question number 5. Study the following table carefully. Choose the correct option. Table A, Table B. The correct answer is not here. Correct answer is option A, not in direct variation. Table B is in direct variation. So no answer for question number 5. Question number 6. Which of the following vary inversely? Option 1, speed and time taken. Question number 7. 5 bells begin to toll together and toll again at intervals of 5, 6, 7, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. How many times will they toll together in 1 hour excluding the one at start? Option 4, 8 times. Question number 8. The average height of 30 boys was calculated to be 150 centimeter. It was found later that for one boy 165 centimeter was wrongly copied as 135 centimeter during computation of the average. The correct answer is option 1, 151 centimeter. Question number 9. A polyhedron has 40 faces and 60 edges. The number of vertices of the polyhedron is option 2, 22. 10th one. The population of a city was 66,150 in 2005. If the population increased at the rate of 5% per annum, then the population in 2003 was option 1, 60,000. 11th question. A sum of money invested at 8 1/3% per annum simple interest amounted to rupees 2,475 in 1 year 9 months. What will it amount in 2 years at 5% per annum? Option 2, rupees 2,376. Question number 12. For the given figure, which of the following is true? Option 2, C is equal to E plus 180 minus G. Question number 13. Square root of cube root of 343 plus 3 into root 289 minus cube root of 729. Option 2, 7. 14th one. The least square number which is exactly divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 is option 3, 3600. 15th question. The difference of two numbers is 988. If the cube of the smaller of the two numbers is 7, then the cube root of the larger number is option 2, 11. Question number 16. Read the following statement carefully and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Number of the form 3n plus 2 will leave remainder 2 when divided by 3. Statement 2. If n upon dividing by 5 leaves remainder 3 and n upon dividing by 2 leaves remainder 0, then n upon dividing by 10 leaves remainder 4. So statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. So the correct answer is option 1. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Question number 17. Read the following statements carefully and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Triangle is a polygon whose sum of exterior angles is double the sum of interior angles. This statement is true. Statement 2. If the sum of interior angles of a polygon is double the sum of its exterior angle, then it is a hexagon. Again, this statement is true. Next, if the interior angle of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3, then the ratio of its exterior angle is 3:2:1. This is false. So the correct answer is only statement 3 is false. Question number 18. 7 men can do a piece of work in 16 days. The number of men required to do the double the work in 8 days is option 2, 28. A jar contains 6 red, 5 green, 4 blue and 5 yellow marbles of same size. What is the probability that a red color marble is chosen at random? So the answer is option 1, 3/10. 20. A bag contains 16 cards bearing numbers from 1 to 16. One card is chosen at random. The probability that the chosen card bears a prime number is option 3, 3/8. Question number 21. The lateral surface area of a cube is 256 meters square. The volume of cube in meter cube is option 3, 512. In the figure, diagonals AC and BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersect each other at point O, such that angle DAC is equal to 45 degree, angle DOB is equal to 110 degree. The measure of angle DBC is option 3, 65 degree. If the length of a rectangle is 2/3 a square plus 2/9 meter and its breadth is a square plus 1/6 meter, then the area of rectangle in meter square is option 2, 2/3 a power 4 plus 1/3 a square plus 1/27. Question number 24. A wall of length 5x plus 2 unit and height 6x unit has square window of side 2x unit and a door of width 2x unit and a height 3x unit. Which of the following algebraic expressions gives the area of the wall to be painted? Option 3, 4x into 5x plus 3. Question number 25. If the height of a triangle is 4x square plus 6 unit and the base of a triangle is 3x square minus 4 unit, then the area of the triangle in square unit is option 1, 6x power 4 plus x square minus 12. Question number 26. What should be added to 4c into minus a minus 2b plus c to obtain 3c into a minus b plus c minus 2c into a plus b minus c? Option 1, 5ac plus 3bc plus c square. Question number 27. In the above figure, AB is parallel to CD. The value of x is option 1, 20. 28. In the given figure, FD is parallel to BC, again parallel to AC and AC is parallel to ED. The value of x is option 3, 113 degree. Question number 29. Rahul walks 12 meters towards north and from his house and turns west to walk 35 meters to reach the market. While returning, he walks diagonally from market to reach back to his house. The distance he travelled while returning is option 1, 37 meters. Question number 30. A sum of rupees 300 is divided between A and B such that twice of A's share is less than 3 times B's share by 300. B's share is option A, rupees 180. 31. The perimeter of a rectangle is 240. If its length is increased by 10% and its breadth is decreased by 20%, the perimeter remains the same. The length and breadth of original rectangle respectively are option 1, 80 cm, 40 cm. 32. A man bought a refrigerator for rupees 15,200 and spent rupees 30 as labor charge and 500 as its transportation. What price should he sell it to make a gain of 15%? Option 2, rupees 18,400. Question number 33. In a city, 40% of the adults are uneducated, while 85% of the children are educated. If the ratio of number of adults to the children is 2:3, then what percentage of the population is educated? Option 1, 75%. Question number 34. Read the following statement carefully and choose the correct option. Statement 1. For all rational numbers x and y, x minus y is equal to y minus x. This is false. Statement 2. For all rational numbers x, y and z, x plus y into z is equal to x plus y into x plus z. This one is true. So statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 35. A can dig a trench in 12 days, B can dig it in 16 days and C can dig it in 18 days. If they dig the trench working together and they get a sum of rupees 5,800 for it, then the share of A in the sum is rupees option 2 rupees 2,400. 36. A wire of length 88 centimeter was bent into the shape of circle and then into a square. Which figure encloses more area and by how much? Option 2, circle by 132 centimeter square. Question number 37. There is a circular garden and a path runs outside it along its boundary. A man walks around it once, keeping close to the edge. Each step is 66 centimeter long and he takes exactly 400 steps to go around the garden. The diameter of the garden is option 3, 84 meter. Question number 38. A train runs between two stations A and B. While running from A to B, its average speed is 60 km per hour. And when running from B to A, its average speed is 90 km per hour. The average speed of the train during the two-way journey is option 4, 72 km per hour. Question number 39. The weights in kg of 8 children are 13.4, 10.6, 12.7, 17.3, 14.3, 15, 16.5 and 9.8. Their median weight in kg is option 2, 13.85. Question number 40. Find the area of the closed figure ABCO where A is equal to 0, 3, B 4, 3, C 4, 0 and O is origin. Option 2, 6 unit. 41. 4 times the area of curved surface of cylinder is equal to 6 times the sum of areas of its bases. If its height is 12 cm, then its curved surface area correct to 2 decimal places is option 1, 603.43 centimeter square. Question number 42. The cost of tiling 24 meter wide rectangular plot is rupees 39,000. If the rate of tiling is rupees 25 per square meter, then the length of the plot is option 3, 65 meter. Question number 43. A square of side 60 meter and rectangle of length 80 meter have the same perimeter. The difference in their areas is option 2, 400 meter square. Question number 44. By what number should minus 8 power minus 3 be multiplied so that the product is equal to minus 6 power minus 3? Option 3, 4 cube by 3 cube. Question number 45. In the following 3-digit numbers, the value of A and B are. So the correct value of A and B is option 3, A is equal to 9, B is equal to 1. 46. A 3-digit number 2A3 is added to the number 326 to give a 3-digit number 5B9 which is divisible by 9. The value of B minus A is option 1, 2. 47. If the surface area and volume of a cube are numerically equal, then the side of the cube is option 2, 6 unit. Which of the following options is the top view of the given figure? So this is the figure A, B, C, D. So the correct answer is option 3, D. This one is the top view. Question number 49. The following bar graph represents the manufacture and sale of an item by a firm in 4 months. Total sale during the given month is what percentage of the total manufacture during the month? Option 1, 72%. Suresh earns rupees 72,000 per month. Distribution of his monthly earning is presented in the following pie chart. How much money he spends on household expenditures every month? Option 2, rupees 28,800.
Section B, Intelligence. Question number 51. A set of figures carrying certain numbers is given. The numbers in each set follows a similar pattern. Based on that pattern, find the value of P. Answer option 3, 17. Question number 52. Replace the question mark in the following figural series. Answer option 1. Question number 53. According to certain code, if pedestrian is equal to 30, accident equal to 24 and driver equal to 18, then traffic is equal to. Answer option 3, 21. Question number 54. If the cost of 3 pencils and 1 sharpener is rupees 25, the cost of 2 sharpeners and 2 erasers is rupees 14 and the cost of 3 erasers is rupees 9. Then the cost of 1 pencil is. Answer option 1, 7. Question number 55. How many ways can Mr. X reach his home? Answer option 3, 9. Question number 56. Anita is older than Chetna. Babita is older than Chetna but younger than Anita. Eric is younger than Divya and Chetna. Chetna is older than Divya, who is in the middle with respect to their ages. Answer option 2, Chetna. Question number 57. Arrange the following words as per order in the dictionary. A. Conservation. B. Conscience. C. Consequence. D. Consume. E. Consciousness. Choose the correct option from the following. Answer option 2, BECAD. Question number 58. Find the missing number pair in the given series. 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 11, 11, 13. So answer option 2, 13, 17. Question number 59. Find the odd one out among the following terms. Answer option C. Option 3, ROM. Question number 60. Complete the following analogy. 33 is related to 30 in the same way 6 is related to question mark and 7 is related to 346. Answer option 3, 219. Question number 61. If the code for write is SJHIU, then what is the code for finds? Answer option 4, GJOET. Question number 62. In the following arrangement of letters, how many G are there which are followed by K and preceded by N? Answer option 2, 2. Question number 63. Find the missing number in the given series. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. Answer option 3, 34. Question number 64. Find the missing term in the following letter number series. 3F, 6G, 11I, 18L. Answer option 1, 27P. Question number 65. There is a certain relationship between two given words on the left side of colon. Choose a correct alternative for the missing term having the similar relationship with the third term. Thermometer is related to temperature. In the same way, odometer is related to. So here there is no option. So answer is direction, distance. Question number 66. Study the following information carefully and identify the appropriate 4-digit number. Answer option 2, 7438. Question number 67. Find the odd one out among the following words. Answer option 4, rain. Question number 68. Complete the following analogy. DE is related to 9 in the same way FG is related to. Answer option A, 13. Question number 69. Arrange the following in a logical and meaningful order. A. Doctor. B. Recovery. C. Illness. D. Consultation. E. Treatment. Choose the correct option from the following alternatives. Answer option 2, C. A. D. E. B. Question number 70. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Answer option A, 10. Question number 71. Find the missing term in the following series. Answer option B, CCBBAA. Question number 72. Dikshita is making the given calendar for the bulletin board. Which day of the week should be 25th January 2000XX? Answer option 3, Thursday. Question number 73. Choose a number group which is different from others. Answer option 2, 64, 14, 54. Question number 74. Replace the question mark in the following figural series. Answer option 3. Question number 75. Select the correct mirror image of the following figure where the mirror is placed on the line AB as shown below. Answer option 1.
Section C, English. 76. Spot the error in the following. She asked me that what had happened. Answer option 2B. 77. Change the given sentence to direct narration by choosing the correct option. Question. He said that Mangal would be working hard. Answer option 3. He said Mangal will be working hard. Question 78. Comparative degree of the adjective most is. Option 4, more. 79. Fill in the blanks with appropriate choice. I wrote a line on the sand with a dash that she could not dash before the waves washed it away. Answer option 3, read. Question 80. Choose the correct idiom for the blank. Mediocre artists like Sheena are found dash. Answer option 2, a dime a dozen. Question 81. Choose the appropriate question tag. We are going to the movie tonight. Answer, aren't we? Option 1. 82. Find the correctly spelled word. The answer, option 4, Renaissance. 83. Change the gender in the sentence. He is a father and a teacher. Answer, option 1. She is a mother and a teacher. 84. Change the sentence from passive voice to active voice. By whom was this beautiful glass broken? Answer, option 2. Who broke this beautiful glass? 85. Choose the appropriate word for the blank to complete the sentence. Today is the dash day of my life. Nothing seems to go as planned. Option 3, worst. 86. Choose the word opposite in meaning of permit. Option 3, prevent. 87. Choose the correct conjunction from the options given below to complete the sentence. Option 4, but. 88. Answers for the paragraph question. The question, the reason given for calling the weather unpredictable on the mountains as given in the passage is option 4, sunshine as well as snowstorm in short intervals. 89. The reason a true mountaineer is respectful to the forces of nature up in the mountains is answer, option 1, challenge. 90. Choose the inappropriate reason for the feeling of exhilaration on reaching a summit that the mountain climbers experience. Answer, option 3, opportunity to use sophisticated mountaineering equipment. 91. The word from the passage that can be used to fill in the blank. Answer, option 1, unpredictable. 92. The word from the passage that means same as involving a lot of effort and energy, especially over a period of time. Answer, option 2, endeavor. 93. Organize the parts to form a meaningful sentence. The correct order is D, B, C, A. The performance of our players was rather worse than I expected. 94. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the given word. Abandon, continue. 95. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. It was such a foolish decision to accept an impossible task. Option 2. 96. Choose the word similar in meaning to the given word. Bleak. Answer, option 2, gloomy. 97. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adverb. Dash we escaped unhurt, fortunately. 98. Change the given sentence to passive voice. Your behavior annoyed me. Answer option 2. I was annoyed at your behavior. 99. Fill in the correct adverb from the following options to make a meaningful sentence. We cannot play music loudly in this park. Option 1. Loudly. Question 100. Change the given sentence to indirect narration. Pawan said, how beautiful the scene is. Answer option 2. Pawan exclaimed that the scene was very beautiful. Question 101. Which of the following hormones helps the body to adjust to stress when one is very angry, embarrassed or worried? Answer option 4. Adrenaline. 102. The method of preparing compost with the help of red worms is called. Option 2. Vermicomposting. Question 103. The variety of organisms existing on the earth, their interrelationships and their relationship with the environment is called biodiversity. 104. Which of the following is the first reserve forest of India? Answer 4. Satpura National Park. 105. Many young people get acne and pimples on the face during adolescence due to. Answer option 3. Increased activity of sweat glands and sebaceous glands. 106. Match the following. Member of solar systems and examples. Satellite, moon, constellation, Cassiopeia, comet, Halley's, star, Ceres. And the answer is option 2. A3B1C4D2. 107. The percentage of different gases in air is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and other gases. 108. Which is not a naturally occurring greenhouse gas? Answer option 3. Ethane. 109. Match the organisms in column A with their actions in column B. Bacteria, tuberculosis, rhizobium, nitrogen fixing, protozoa, malaria, virus, AIDS. And the answer is option 4. 110. Microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups as bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. Option 1. 111. The major component of compressed natural gas is option 2. Methane. 112. Combustion is the chemical process in which substance react with the oxygen to produce heat. 113. Which of the following is not a part of animal cell? Option 1. Animals which give birth to the young ones are called viviparous. 115. Special shapes are given to the objects moving in fluids to minimize fluid friction. 116. Identify the measure used to limit noise pollution. The measures used to limit noise pollution are: minimize the use of automobile horns, planting trees along the roads, installing silence devices in the aircraft engines. This is wrong. Cutting trees around the residential building. So the answer is option 1, A, B, C only. 117. The image formed by a plane mirror is virtual, behind the mirror and the same size as the object. Option 1. Question number 118. Which of the following is the most reactive with water? Option 2, sodium. 119. Select the correct statements from the following. The correct statements. Option 2, A, B, D only. The correct statements are: bubbles of gases may be formed on electrodes. Deposits of metals may be seen on electrodes. And change in color of the solution may occur. 120. Tremors are caused by the disturbances in the crust of the earth. 121. The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called calorific value. Option 3. 122. Match the following: gold, jewelry, iron, machinery, mercury, thermometer, copper, electric wire. And the option 1. Question number 123. The force exerted by a magnet is an example of non-contact force. 124. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Option 2, mustard. 125. Which of the following may not be a cause of passing HIV virus from an infected person to a normal person? Not a cause. Option 2, shaking hands with an infected person. Section E, social science. Ibn Battuta, a 14th century traveler, was from which of the following countries? Answer option 3, Morocco. 127. According to the Constitution of India, there are 3 organs of the government. Which of the following is a method for conservation of land resource? Option 3, afforestation. 129. Which of the following is not a feature of a shopping complex? Option 2. No. Not a feature of shopping complex. Option 1. Buying and selling takes place between traders. 130. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured on. Option 3. Richter scale. 131. Which of these is not a function of the municipal corporation? Option 2, providing defense services. 132. Sahara, the world's largest desert, is located in which of the following continents? Option 4, Africa. 133. Which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? Option 2, precipitation. 134. Which crop is also known as golden fiber? Option 1, jute. 135. Gandhiji carried out the Dandi March to oppose which of the following? Option 1, salt law. 136. The last Mughal emperor was. Option 4, Bahadur Shah Zafar. 137. The power of judiciary to strike down particular laws passed by the parliament if it believes them to be in violation of the basic structure of the constitution is called. Option 3, judicial review. 138. Which one among the following statement is not correct about the Grama Sabha? The incorrect statement about Grama Sabha, option 4, the ward panch and the sarpanch form the Gram Sabha. 139, which of the following statements are correct? Option 2, A and C only. So, A and C are 139. The correct statements are A, public facilities relate to people's basic needs. And the next correct statement, option C, the responsibility to provide public facilities lies with the government. 140. The employment of manual scavengers and construction of dry latrines Prohibition Act was passed by the Government of India in which year? 1992. 141. The difference between the birth rate and death rate of a country is called the natural growth rate. 142. Which one of the following is a renewable resource? Option 2, the solar energy. 143. The book titled Amar Jiban was written by. Answer, Ra Sundari Devi. 144. What is the full form of PIL? Public Interest Litigation, option 2. 145. The Azad Hind Fauj was raised by option 3, Subhash Chandra Bose. 146. Which one of the following is an example of marine-based industry? Option 1, seafood processing. 147. The article of the Constitution of India states that the practice of untouchability has been abolished. Article 17. 148. Which country is the largest producer of bauxite in the world? Option 2, Australia. 149. Match list 1 with list 2. And the correct match is in the exact order: Diwan, financial officer; Bakshi, military paymaster; Faujadar, military commander; Kotwal, police commander. And the answer is A1, B2, C3, D4, option 4. 150. 150. The full form of CITES is option A, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species.